second episode of the Cat Saga, the Crypt Custodian. Let's go start the game, and I hope you like, and let's go. Okay. Let's enemies here. Right. Okay. Everything is dead. Nope. One more. Okay. Let's go. I gave back special attack. I picked up the black rocks. Basically, it's the coin with this thing. I don't know, I can jump this distance. Let's go. Try, right? What? No, I not can do it. But yeah, I not give. Let's go to another way. I guess in. Oh no, upstairs. Yeah, exactly. Probably I gave something here. Trash or blackstone, whatever. I don't know what is this. Wait, get more here. Because let's go continue walk. Okay. We elect Kendra for afterlife over Sir. Oh, is the local I pick up the item to upgrade my things. Oh shit, the enemies. Not now. Now is easy. It's just one enemy. Right. Now I not can not need these two. There's three enemies. Before this, I need to make more dangerous. Now. Yes. Good. Die. I not lost any life now. Good. Oh, what? Okay. Wait. Yeah, good. Just two enemies. Just now one. Dang, good. Can fight with everything. I'm not like you, bro. Let's see the map. Shit. I walk very much. Oh. Okay, I can work with a map. Okay. I have much thing to see. This is a start. I start here. The statue. I pick up the up here. Go here. Okay. I'm here. Let's get this. Give something. Very big fish. Yo. Just it's a bonefish. Fish bone. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, something here. Oh. I not like it. I not. Dead Man's Curse. The curse enemies will create a damage blast open that defeat 15 enemies to remove the curse. The reward 1 upgrade point. Take on the curse. Okay, wait. Let me understand. Will create a damage blast upon weapon that defeat to remove the curse. Okay, I pick up this curse and I need to kill 5 enemies to remove it. I don't know, I guess I'm taking. Why not? I guess it's easy. I lost 2 life. Yeah, I guess it's better not to pick up this. Oh, save the game, obviously. Okay, I need to. Oh, is just strange. Is a boss or okay? Oh, cat goes. Have you seen any of my children's? Please free them from their vessel and I will reward you. Oh, I need to remove the ghost the vessel and give me something. Okay. Can go for it. Let's try. No. I'm very stupid. Oh. Okay. I need to kill 15 enemies. Back. Go here. Give enemies here. And very careful because I just one hit and I died. Yeah. I mean, I say careful. What I make, not careful. The curse end. Like if now I back, I can pick up the curse again, or not. Yeah, okay. Probably I can pick up something. I killed 15 enemies. Let's try. Okay, one. Holy shit! I not jump. I not can do it. Probably I need to give a double jump to pass it. Okay, one enemy. More. Okay. I understand. Okay, every enemy I kill gave I don't know, like a bomb, and probably is I need to escape with the bomb. And okay, run exactly. More one. Okay, good. 11. More 11 enemies. Okay, let's go. Continue. Okay. Shit. I lost one more alive. Okay. Let's continue. Shit. Oh. Okay, very careful. Okay. Oh, shit. I don't remember the bomb. No. I don't can remember the bomb. Okay. I need to speak with the cat in the vessel to pick up. Okay. I continuous. Pick up the curse again. Just one more. Just one more. And did I die? I not pick up more. Let's continuous. Here. Jump. Okay. What? Shit! Okay. I kill enemy, drop the bomb. I kill enemy, drop the bomb. Shoot. Okay. 11. No, 12. Sorry. I'm stupid. Now. 10. Good. 10. Okay. Just more 10 enemies, and I remove the curse. Okay. 1 CD. What the hell? Bring this to Sunners in Jackbox and reward. Okay, I guess. Okay. I don't know what I gave here. What's this? I'm back. Okay, let's pick up the black stones or the trash. I don't know what this is. It's probably some trash, I guess. Let's continue here. One more enemy. Wait, not bad. No, I guess not. Just jump. Pick up the trash bag. 8 enemies. Let's go. Continue. More 8. Leave something here. Okay, no. One more here. One more. Okay, 7. Let's go. One more here. No, more. Run. Okay. Shit. More 5 enemies and the curse gone. Okay, more 4. More 4. Let's go. I'm lost, I guess. I don't know. Okay. That has one here. Oh, I gave something here. Let's see another time. Let's just continue this. No, I guess I'm back because I not explore much the block full level. Let's go. No, I'm stupid. Okay, guys. Now I pick up the curse again, and I kill the enemies, and we're just need. Okay, I back 1 minute. Okay, guys, I'm back because I find more something here. I just go inside and see what gave, but the mission is basically complete. I need to just kill more 2 enemies, and I gave 3 lives. Let's go see what I gave inside. Pearl Sword. Oh, okay. Is a statue. Start falling blocks. Who is you? Hi, sorry for scare you. Okay. Just in a rafter. Okay, guys. He is just on a rafter, sweeping up some grain. This walk cavern is a shore dedicated to Pearl, to most beautiful frog to over life. Oh, use the frog. I'm a bit embarrassed to see it get too dirty, so I'm trying to clean this whole place up. Oh, so are you a janitor too? No, I'm just a frog. But Kendra did sentence me to clean up the afterlife for all eternity. She sentences everyone to that some fate or touch most other ghosts just stop cleaning after a will. Well, anything, my name is People, and I will be around here cleaning for a bit, so I see you around. Okay, bye, Bill. Okay, just save it and I back, guys, before I kill just one more enemy and I back. Okay, I guess yeah. Ok, eu vou ver isto depois. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just killed just one more enemy and the curse lives. Then let's go. Yeah! Okay. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna back the spot I found and let's start to go around here and try and fight something. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm here now. Let's go inside. Okay, the statue is trash here. Let's pick up the trash. Okay, I gave two locals to go left or right. I'm gonna start here. I guess he's one enemy here. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Okay. Is a blade? No. Frog. Huh? It gave something here? No. Okay. Let's go see what I gave more. More rocks. Not something here. Okay. I guess not giving more now. Yeah, I need a double jump probably. Let's go back and see. Okay, I gave something. Up. Yeah, a door. I need a key. I not gave a key. And let's see another way. Yeah. What I gave here. One stairs and let's continue here. Okay, what is this? What the? Oh, I understand. right? Yeah, good. It's easy. Okay, I need to put the cat here to pick up. I don't know what is this, but let's see. Okay, I need to put the cat here. Oh, I understand. First, here, and before this, up, right? Yeah. Okay. What is this? With efforts, make attack 30% stronger. Hit low heal. Upgrade can be equipped in a safe chance. Okay. Okay, guys, let's continue explore local. Let's go this way. Oh, yeah, exactly. It's a fight. I think just wanna. Oh, new enemy. Three enemies go, just two. And I just kill two more. I just keep one more life. Calm down. Okay, I can do it. Okay. Continue this way. Oh. Okay. Oh, another. Oh, what? Okay, here. Oh, I need to complete the puzzle to open this door. Oh, just here. No, I guess probably. I guess. Okay, he's done. This puzzle is easy, I guess. Those doors is opening, right? Let's see what I did here. Okay, more enemies. Okay, this first. This enemy is easy, I just need to attack and run. Okay. Oh, I gave trash down. Can jump here? Yeah. Okay. Pick up the trash. Okay, another puzzle. Okay. I can hit it again. Let's try. No. Why I make this? I don't know. I can hit the rock. I don't know what I need to make to complete this puzzle. I don't know. Break the vassals. Okay, this puzzle is one little bit more difficult. Okay, let me see. No. let's try. I tried it. Yeah, exactly. No, I don't know what I need to make. Oh, the vessel. And that can hit it 2 times. Oh, I can. Okay. Okay, I understand. It's easy. I'm just easy. Okay, it's done. I need just think one little bit and I can resolve it. Let's continue another boss fight. It's not a boss fight, but it's a fight. Okay. Shit. Okay. Oh. Okay, it's easy. Just 4 enemies. It's done. Let's continue explore. Fine. Pick up the trash. Run. It's done. I know, I like this game. It's very cute. And I like the music. It's calm. Probably this music is making a piano, I guess. Okay. Oh, 1K. Oh, probably the open a door I see in the middle. Yeah, exactly this. Oh, I can right? Oh, it's more easy. But first I hope the door. I gonna see what I gave upstairs. Oh, it's just a statue. Okay. I guess it's something more different, but it's just a statue. Let's open a door and continue walk. Pick up the trash. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, the guy is cleaning here. Let's speak with him. I just love this statue. I think it looks just like me. Did you know her? I did, and I miss her so much. You see, I'm frog culture thing is one of the saddest thing that can happen to someone. See, now that I'm die, I worry about her a lot. I just hope she is okay. Okay. Spider. Fire? Yeah. Oh. Okay, I guess I can. Yeah. It's easy. Or not. Okay, it's done. One more CD. It's done. Let's continue walk here. This way, more fire. I can destruct this. No. Give something here. Another way. Another more puzzles. Okay, first. Here. And did I get here? No, back! Oh, I guess probably I need to. Yeah, okay, it's easy. Okay, now I hit me try here. No. This way, and I hit Turner. What? Another. Not can make that, but okay. First here, back. Now I'm here. Okay, now I hit. No. Up. Yeah. Okay. It's done. I gave something here. Okay. And I'm back again. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I guess this episode is done. I hope you like and see you later. Bye.